proactive English practice.
Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, sir. How can I help?
This soup is cold.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
Could you warm it up, please?
Of course, right away.
Thank you. It tastes good, though.
I'm glad you like it.
It's just a little cold.
No problem. I'll heat it up.
How long will it take?
Just 2 minutes.
Great, thank you.
Would you like fresh bread too?
Yes, please. That's very kind.
Here's your hot soup, sir.
Perfect. Now it's warm.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Call me anytime.
Excuse me. I think that's my suitcase. This one? It's black, like mine. Yes, they look the same. Oh, let me check the tag. My name is on the tag. You're right. This is yours. And where is your suitcase? Let me look around. Is that one yours? The one with the red ribbon? Yes, over there. That's it. Thank you. Many black suitcases look alike. So true. I need a bright tag. Me too. A colorful one. Good idea. Sorry for the mix-up. No problem at all. Have a safe trip. You too. Take care. Hi. I was here an hour ago.
Yes, I remember you.
I think I forgot my phone.
Oh, where did you sit?
At the window table.
Let me check. What color is it?
White, with a pink case.
A pink case. One moment.
I hope it's still here.
We have a lost and found box.
Please take a look.
Yes, a white phone, pink case.
That's mine. Thank you.
Can you unlock it? Just to check.
Sure. See, that's my photo.
Great, it's yours. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
You saved my day. Thank you. Hello, I called a taxi.
Yes, I'm here. Where are you?
I don't see your car.
I'm at the main entrance.
Oh, I'm at the side entrance.
The side entrance?
Yes, near the mall.
Which mall?
City Center Mall, by the big doors.
Okay, what are you wearing?
A red jacket. I have a suitcase.
Got it. What color is my car?
I don't know. Tell me.
A blue car, number 42.
A blue car. I see it now.
I'm coming to the side entrance.
Perfect. I'm waving at you.
I see you, the red jacket.
Yes, thank you.
Hop in. Where are we going?
Excuse me, is the bus late?
Yes, it's 10 minutes late.
Do you know why?
Traffic, I think. It's busy today.
Oh no, I have an appointment.
Let me check the app.
You have a bus app?
Yes, it shows the schedule.
What does it say?
The bus is 5 minutes away.
Oh, good. Not too long.
The app is very helpful.
Can I get that app too?
Of course, it's free.
What's the name?
City Bus. Easy to find.
Thank you. I'll download it.
Look, here comes the bus.
Finally. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Where is the train station?
It's not far. I'll show you.
Thank you so much.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Straight. 2 blocks. Okay.
Then turn left at the bank.
Turn left at the bank.
After that, cross the street.
Cross the street. And then?
The station is right there.
Is it a big building?
Yes, gray, with a clock.
A clock. That's easy to find.
Yes, you can't miss it.
How long does it take?
About 5 minutes walking.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Straight, left, cross. Got it.
Hi. I like these sneakers.
Great choice. What size?
Size 9, please.
Here you go. Try them on.
They're a little tight.
Try a bigger size. 9.5?
Yes, a half size bigger.
Here, how do they feel?
Much better. Very comfortable.
Perfect fit.
Do they come in blue?
Yes, blue and black.
I like the blue one.
Good choice. Very popular.
How much are they?
$60.
Is there a discount?
Today, 10% off.
So, $54. I'll take them.
Great. In blue, 9.5.
Hello? I need to return this yogurt.
Sure, what's the problem?
It's expired. Look at the date.
Oh, you're right. It's old.
I bought it this morning.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. Mistakes happen.
Do you want your money back?
Can I exchange it instead?
Of course. Get a fresh one.
Where are the fresh ones?
Aisle 4. Please check the date.
Good idea. I'll check it.
Bring it here. No extra charge.
Thank you. That's very fair.
Again, I'm sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you for your help.
Hi, I have your package.
Oh, I was waiting for that.
The courier left it at my door.
At your door? Why?
Our apartment numbers look alike.
Ah, 3B and 8B. Easy mistake.
Yes, the 3 looks like an 8.
Thank you for bringing it.
No problem. Is it fragile?
A little. It's a gift.
Then be careful with it.
I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, neighbor.
Would you like some tea?
Oh, that's very kind. Next time.
Anytime. You're always welcome.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks again.
Take care of that gift.
Hi, my Wi-Fi isn't working.
I can help. When did it stop?
About 10 minutes ago.
Let's check your router.
Okay, I'm looking at it.
How many lights are on?
2 green, 1 red light.
A red light? That's the problem.
What should I do?
Unplug the router from the wall.
Okay, it's unplugged.
Wait 10 seconds.
Should I plug it back in?
Yes, plug it in now.
The lights are blinking.
Good. Wait 1 minute.
Now all the lights are green.
Is the Wi-Fi back?
Yes, it works. Thank you.
Great. Have a good day.
Hi, I have a booking. Name, Wilson.
Welcome. Let me check, Wilson.
Here's my confirmation.
Perfect. 2 nights, 1 room.
Yes, that's right.
Here's your key card.
Thank you. Which room?
Room 210, 2nd floor.
Where's the elevator?
On the right, past the plants.
What time is breakfast?
7 to 10. In the restaurant.
Great. And the Wi-Fi password?
It's Hotel 2024, all lowercase.
Hotel 2024. Is it free?
Yes, free in all rooms.
Perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Tony's Pizza. How can I help?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza.
Sure. What size?
A large, please.
What toppings?
Cheese, mushrooms, and peppers.
Great. Any drinks?
Do you have a special deal?
Yes. A large pizza and a soda.
Perfect. I'll take the deal.
Which soda?
Cola, please. How much is it?
$16.
And the delivery time?
About 30 minutes.
Great. My address is 12 Elm Street.
12 Elm Street. Got it.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you. Enjoy your dinner.
Hi, I have a cold.
I'm sorry. What are your symptoms?
A runny nose and a cough.
Any fever?
A little, not too high.
This medicine works well.
Do I need a prescription?
No, this one is over the counter.
How often do I take it?
Every 8 hours. 3 times a day.
With food or without?
With food. Better for the stomach.
How much is it?
$9.
Okay, I'll take it.
Rest and drink warm tea too.
Thank you for the advice.
You'll feel better in a few days.
Thank you so much.
Get well soon. Take care.
Hi. Sorry to bother you so late.
Oh, is everything okay?
The music is a little loud.
Oh no, is it too loud?
Yes, it's almost midnight.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
It's okay. You couldn't hear it.
I'll turn it down right now.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Were you trying to sleep?
Yes, I work early tomorrow.
I understand. So sorry.
No problem. It happens.
Is this better? Quieter?
Yes, much better. Thank you.
I'll use headphones next time.
That's very kind. Thank you.
Good night. Sleep well.
Good night. Thank you again.